How to detect landmarks or places using Google Lens. So hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can do this. So it was very easy. For that we will simply download Google Lens app from Play Store. I already installed it. So I will simply click on Lens app. Once I click on that, here it will say open camera screenshot. So basically if you are in some sort of place and you are in lab, simply click on open camera and you guys can took a picture of that place like street anything. And if you have screenshot of that, for example I have that type of screenshot, so I'll simply click on that. And once I click on that, Google Lens will automatically detect the whole place and it will show me the related images, and it will also give me the info like it says the image shows the kingdom center, a skyscraper, etc. So that's how you guys can check it. Thanks for watching.